Understanding storage class. We discussed the functions in the preceding chapters. Generally, it is not possible to access a variable from one function to another function. To avoid this complexity, we can use storage classes. We will discuss the storage classes briefly here. The storage classes are used to prevent the variables from accessing another function. Share the values to the different functions. Avoid the reinitialization of the variables. Store the data to the CPU register directly. Let's take a look at the sample image of storage class. C language provides two major categories of storage classes. They are automatic and static storage class. Further, the automatic storage class is classified into two subdivisions. They are auto-specifier and register specifier. Similarly, the static storage class has two subsidiary specifiers called static and extern. Initially, we will see the automatic variables. The automatic variables are the one type of storage class. It is a default storage class. The lifetime of the automatic variable is limited in its scope. Automatic variables are declared inside a function in which they must be used. They are created when the function is called and are destroyed automatically when the function has left, consequently the automatic name. A variable declared inside a function without storage class specification is by default an automatic variable. An important feature of the automatic variables is that their value cannot be changed accidentally by what occurs in another function in the program. We can also use the auto keyword to declare automatic variables explicitly. Here is an example for automatic variables. In the main function, we've declared automatic variable called m, which is initialized as 100. Then we call function2, and then the control will go to function2 definition. Inside the function2, we declare a new variable called m, which is 200. After that, the value of the m variable, that is 200, is displayed using the printf function. Then the control will go to the main function. Here we print a value of m, and the output will be 100. To see the output, compile the code using Alt F9. When the compilation is finished, click the OK button. Then run the code using Control F9 and see the output. Now you know the concept behind automatic variables.